Strength in motion today. Let's get started right away. Just a simple step jack. We're gonna build some real physical strength today, as well as bring a nice cardio element into it. We're gonna move quickly through this entire short session, so stick with me. Gentle movements. We're gonna do them with focus and intention, and we're gonna move at a nice pace so that we can really increase our stamina, make those stairs no problem whatsoever when we go climbing later today. No elevators for this community. Now already, just pick up the pace just a bit. We're really gonna wake up our bodies, boost our mood and energy quite quickly today. Just a few warm-up exercises, and we'll build some amazing strength, core stability, mobility. You know all the good stuff we'll do here. Okay, already, just step forward and open up your chest. Just quick here, just a heel tap, open up your chest, move dynamically around your space. This you could start to even move backwards, working on proprioception, forward. Just be dynamic, choose your own adventure as always. And right away, we're gonna start to kick and punch. Twist a little bit so you're reaching across your body towards your foot. Get our spines mobile and warm, ready to take on the day. Welcome to the gray. We're gonna be seeing a lot of days like this where it's cloudy and gray for the whole day. We're gonna embrace the beauty of the gray. We still have some lovely leaves left, but soon it'll be bare, and we're gonna enjoy the beauty of the bare trees as we switch our mindsets into the beauty of November as it approaches soon. Okay, now, real strength here. Squat down to the best of your abilities and push up. Squat and push up. With this movement, I invite you to breathe in and out. Let's connect our breath to this movement and out. Real strong movement. And I'm going to move with a bit of pace as well. Let's go for a moment here. Challenge yourself. When you think you can't do one more, do one more. Find your edge and go just beyond. We got this. Come on. 3 more. Up here. Side to side. Wiggle your fingertips. Feel it up in the shoulders and the upper back. Bend just a little bit further to each side. Yes. All right. Get ready. Here we go. Big step. Come up onto the balls of your feet. When you step forward, arms come forward. Here, there we go. Arms come forward. Balls of your feet, arms go back. Step. Really swing your arms. There we go. Find the movement that works for you here as I try to find it myself. Arms forward, step across, rise onto the balls of your feet, arms come back. That's the one. There we go. Sometimes it even takes me a moment or two. Progress over perfection. But oh, it's slippery. Ooh, there we go. Do your very best. Nice big step across. One more on each side. Okay. Not our best movement ever, but that's okay. Let's move on to the next. Let that one go. Step back. Tricep kickbacks. Step and point your toe. And really kick your arms back. Feel that in the triceps. Strength in motion today. Head up high. Ooh. Heart rate should be elevated. We're not going to be here for a long time. We need to raise our heart rate from time to time for longevity, for our health's sake. And it really does boost mood and energy. You can connect your breath here. Breathe in and out. Couple more. Okay, balls of your feet, shake it all out. Really building energy, getting that blood, oxygen circulating through our entire body. Awesome. Building strength. This simple pulse squat. I love this movement. I invite you to really swing your arms, get a full body movement happening, and move with a bit of pace. We're building that great leg strength, core stability. We move with pace. Now we've brought in a stamina element, and it's gonna make climbing those stairs, parking in the furthest parking spot away from the door, so much more manageable. I breathe in, out. Head up. Come on. I think I can. I think I can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Vamos. Come on. Let's stretch it out. This is my Shohei move. The move the Dodgers do. Let's go, Jays. Here we go. Really twist into it, but keep moving. Bring that cardio element into this amazing stretching mobility movement. Let that leg swing out. This is our last movement of the day. Honor it. Couple more. Ooh, stretchy. Yes, well done. We're gonna keep moving for this last movement since we're building strength, emotion, strength, the ability to pay attention, to concentrate. Wow. Pick a spot. I'm gonna go with a very exaggerated body weight shift, just from side to side. But I'm gonna give my one pointed attention. I'm coming into prayer as well. You do what works best for you. You can just stand and connect your breath, but pick your spot, bring all your attention, all your awareness. Let's go together. It's trickier when you're moving fast. Amazing. We can be mindful and present even when we're in a hurry, moving quickly. Let's just keep practicing every day. Mind, body, soul, all of it. I'm truly grateful. Thank you for being here. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.